Good morning, buenos dias, yom tov. I just wanted to make a quick video to let people know they can take rice cakes, put them in a blender. I'll just put one in there. And then they could put their milk and their banana, whatever they're going to put in it. Let's see how this turns out here. My blender's traveling. Let's take a look. Yes, pretty good. Now remember, when you put your milk in there, it's going to get all soft anyway. Why am I doing this? When I lived in Miami and I had all my wonderful Cuban friends and co-workers, they used to make a blender drink, a batido, made with trigo. Trigo is wheat. So they had puffed wheat cereal. They put it in a blender with milk, etc. And it might sound odd and different, but it's really delicious. So that's what I'm planning to do today. I don't have puffed wheat. I have these puffed rice cakes, and it should be wonderful. Try it.